Hello everyone. So this is the part 3 of the part 3 video that I'll be doing on the new Nigerian tax law. Again, in my previous videos, I said the provisions on this tax law is very broad. So I cannot use one video. In fact, in one video, it will even take over 3-4 hours. And you see, people don't really have people are very busy. So that's why I've decided to break it down, and it's good for me to use few minutes break it down for people to understand and grasp very well. Just like what I said, it's not everybody that is a tax guru, it's not everybody that is a chartered accountant. So it's ideal for people to take their time, do short videos for people to really understand this thing very well. So this is part 3 of the video. The new Nigerian tax law will commence 1st of January 2026. So it is pertinent for us as citizens of this country, or as Nigerians, even those in diaspora, Nigerians in diaspora, to get themselves acquainted and well informed about this tax law. So moving forward, as from 2026, tax authorities will begin to monitor closely the accounts of businesses to ensure compliance of this new Nigerian tax law. Then another thing worthy of mentioning is that, we usually have creatives such as sportsmen, we have musicians. So sportsmen and musicians who whether they earn income abroad or in Nigeria, they will, as from January 2026, they'll begin to pay tax. They'll begin to pay tax. Authors, musicians, authors, musicians, sportsmen, as from 2026, they begin to pay tax. Whether they earn their income abroad in Nigeria, they begin to pay tax. Another thing worthy of mentioning here is that people usually ask, government bond, the interest that comes from government bond will not be taxed. Will not be taxed. So they enjoy tax exemption. Agricultural companies. So if you run an agricultural company that's into dairy, that's into forestry, that is into cocoa production, they will enjoy 5 years tax holiday exemption. So that's to say, for 5 years. So if you're into if your company is agricultural in nature, that is say you're into forestry, dairy, cocoa production, you will enjoy 5 years. So for 5 years, you will not pay tax. For 5 years, you will not pay tax. Then also too, the national minimum wage. For those of our workers who are on national minimum wage, or who are earning 800,000 naira per annum, will not be taxed. They will enjoy tax exemption. So if you're on the national minimum wage salary, or you're earning 800,000 naira below, so from 2026, you will not pay tax. Then severance pay. Some organizations, they do this severance. Maybe you have worked in an organization for so many years, and maybe you decide to leave or something, and you're entitled to a severance pay. That severance pay will not be taxed insofar that it is from 50 million naira down. So if your company will pay you a severance pay from 50 million down, it will not be taxed. But if it's from 51 million and above, it will be taxed. So we have the craftsmen. We also have the severance pay, national minimum wage, the government bond. So all these things, categories like this, for example, the agricultural companies, definitely they will enjoy 5. So after 5 years, they'll start paying tax. Again, we are using this opportunity to call on the National Orientation Agency, the national, the market associations, the youth leaders, the women leaders, civil society, the NGOs, the government, the professional bodies such as ICANN. We are calling on them to all hands to be on deck to be able to pass this information to everybody, because that woman in the market selling one table market, buying and selling, doing transactions, everybody needs to be well informed. Take for instance, in the north, you see that early in the morning there is this radio they so clean to their ear, so you can take advantage of radio jingles. You do radio jingles, you do newspaper publication, you do messages using local languages to pass this information. You can use role play, case scenarios. You can take advantage of the communities, the community leaders, youth leaders, the religious leaders, the women leaders. Take advantage of these people so that it is these people that will be able to spread this information very well. Right now, I was thinking we are supposed to have facilitators, maybe from the tax body FIRS, or from the Ministry of Finance or Ministry of Budget, something from the government. You're supposed to have an arm or maybe a body from the government that will work together with NGOs and the civil society and the community and also the market associations to be able to pass this information to everybody in this country. Thank you so much. I'll also do the part 4 of this video. Please, I want you to subscribe, comment, like, and share.